Hey, this is Dr. Saila. I'll answer today the most common question I get asked in my clinic. Can I take apple cider vinegar for digestion? This is the apple cider vinegar drink. It isn't a miracle cure, but it can support digestion for the right person. It may help boost low stomach acid levels, which means better breakdown of the food, fewer digestive issues, and less bloating, especially after heavy meals. Try 1 teaspoon in about half to 1/4 cup of water. Take it 10 to 15 minutes before eating. Start slow and always listen to your body. But here is the caution. If you have acid reflux ulcers or burning in your chest or throat or a sensitive stomach, this may not be the right one for you. In those cases, it can actually make things worse. So while apple cider vinegar can help, it's not for everyone, and it's definitely not a magic solution. Follow me for more real, practical gut health tips that actually work. There's no hype, just healing. To find more details, please book a free discovery call at roothealthmd.com. Thank you.